It started when I spotted IC 6250 trailing. It just went into emergency. I don't know what happened, but it just went into emergency. Oh, we're going under it. So, on US 51, we caught up to it. Me and Hunter, or West Tennessee Railfan on YouTube, think it stopped due to having trouble with the positive train control, or PTC. Yeah, here they are. IC 6250, IC 1016, 9626, UP, and BNSF. Nothing. So here's the train that went into emergency. Oh. Got his bell ringing. Let's get a little closer to this. Still don't know why they went into emergency, but well, there it goes. It's moving again. Don't know why that happened or why they went to emergency, but there they go. Lots and lots of coal hoppers on here. Very interesting. This was really cool. We don't really get to see a lot of these around the CN Fulton subdivision, so seeing a long line of these was really awesome indeed. There go the end of the coal hoppers. Interesting that it would stop like that. Maybe PTC trouble, I don't know. Alright guys, we're here at Woodstock again, and we got the RSSX locomotives, the Watco WAMX, and the Rail Serve. So they're all parked over there, so we might try and get a good look at those in a minute. Interesting thing we have here. Double GT and an IC-SD70 leading a rail train. An Illinois Central SD70 leading a rail train next to two Grand Trunk Western locomotives. Very nice. So here we're seeing the double GTW. Again, I'm not going to get any closer than this. And IC unit leading. Very cool. We're going to try and race the IC train when we get a chance. Waiting for that other train to pass first. Rail train is moving. There's the end of that train, which will be blocked by the IC train. Stick around for the rest of the rail train, but we're going after that. So we will see the rest of it a little later. Okay, we're gonna wait for this train. Oh, it's a manifest. I think we can probably just do a real quick shot out of it. Yeah. Work things up. Alright, we're going after this train. See it in a bit. If you've seen some of my older videos, you may have seen these two engines before, which is ex-Illinois Central, now RailServ 1032, and I think it was an NW1 switcher. Well, RailServ lost the contract to switch here at DuPont, and the contract went to Watco, which is what these new switchers are here for. I'm not sure what will happen to the old ones, but I hope they do stick around for a while. They are very neat locomotives indeed. If you do want to see more of these locomotives, I will try to remember to put the link of the videos in the description to this video. Well, we missed it in Millington. There's the end.